Hey, my name is Anton. I'm here at the 2013 Hackagong. We're in Team Quad. Behind me we've got Hannah, Anton, Joele, and we're developing a quadrocopter with a wing that can be 3D printed. And so we're incorporating the 3D printing technologies to build structures that would otherwise be very, very difficult to manufacture using traditional manufacturing techniques, maybe even impossible. So we've come here today for a bit of fun and going to give it a go. And, hopefully we can show you, it's early days yet, so hopefully in about 25 hours time we can show you what we've got. First time we'd use a 3D printer the last 2 days, the last 30 hours. Our first model is this little guy here. And from there, we've learned how to model up models that are compatible with 3D printers. And by utilising them, we've been able to rapidly prototype a variety of different airframes. So, you're here with Team Quad. I'm Nathan. That's Anton, Joele, little wave, and Hannah. She's waving. So we came up with the idea to use a quadcopter with an airfoil. This will significantly increase the lifespan of the quadcopter. The idea is to provide wind under the wings to give lift, and we hope in future to work further with these models and utilise the 3D printing capabilities. Yeah, so in 30 hours from first time users, I think we've done pretty good. Like I said, from step one to all these guys, I think it's a fantastic effort.
Is